What's going on, y'all? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, my new YouTube channel. Been on YouTube before, a couple of years back, like way back. First off, I appreciate you for watching this video. This channel is all about investing in yourself, real estate investing. I'm looking to get into the real estate game myself. Right now, I don't own any property. I figured now is the best time to get in there. I have some influences, watching a couple of YouTube channels, bigger podcasts, Graham Stephan, Meet Kevin. Yes, I've been watching a lot of videos on it. I figured now is the best time. Little things about me. My name is Gene, born in Haiti, born and raised. Came down here to the United States when I was like 10 years old. Now I reside in Florida. Right now the kid, almost 30. I'm almost 30. I'm getting old. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching my videos, coming into this channel. Please subscribe. The reason why I want to get into real estate, first and foremost, is the financial freedom. With the financial freedom, you can help others around you. So God willing, I find a good deal. I already have a real estate agent. I have a lender already. So right now we're just working out certain things that I have to get right. The credit is good, but the finances, I have to get that in order. So yeah, just subscribe to this channel, like this video, going on the journey, and hop on for the ride. It's not gonna be easy. This channel, we're gonna talk about everything from the real estate game. So it's not, like I said, it's not gonna be easy. But sometimes you gotta jump and let your wings grow. So yeah, so please subscribe, click the notification button, like this video. You know what it do when you like this video. So please like this video and welcome. And also, I would like to say that please comment below how I can add value to you guys. I would really appreciate it. God willing, let's grow this channel, grow in the real estate investing market. I'm an entrepreneur at heart, always been an entrepreneur at heart. I am a little scared, not gonna lie, but this is what life is about. It's about taking chances, taking risks, smart and calculated risks. But I trust the team around me to help me, and also you guys can help me also. Comment below. Your comments are always welcome. So yeah, be blessed. I'm out.